Hey guys, welcome back to our German language learning channel. Today we are going to cover some basic conversation phrases in German that will help you communicate with native speakers. First up, let's start with greetings. It's important to know how to say hello in German, as it's the first thing you'll say when meeting someone. You can say hallo, hallo, or you can say guten Morgen, guten Morgen. It means good morning. Or guten Abend, guten Abend. It means good evening. Guten Tag, guten Tag. It means good day or have a good day. Okay, now let's move on to introducing yourself. When meeting someone for the first time, you can say Ich heiße, Ich heiße. It means my name is. For example, Ich heiße Anna, Ich heiße Anna. It means my name is Anna. Ich heiße David. It means my name is David. Ich komme aus. Ich komme aus means I come from. It's for introducing your nationality. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus. Okay, when thanking someone, you can say Danke. Danke. It means thank you. Danke. Or you can say vielen Dank. Vielen Dank. It means thank you very much. Vielen Dank. Or you can say Danke schön. Danke schön. It means thank you kindly. Thank you very much. Danke schön. Okay, very good. If you want to ask how someone is doing, you can say Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Or you can say Wie geht's? Wie geht's? It means how are you? Wie geht es Ihnen? Or you can say Alles gut? Alles gut? It means everything good? Everything is good? Alles gut? Wie geht es Ihnen? This is the way how you can know how someone is doing. And when saying goodbye, you can say Auf Wiedersehen, Auf Wiedersehen. It means goodbye. Or you can say Tschüss, Auf Wiedersehen, Tschüss. Or you can say Bis bald, Bis bald. Okay, now let's practice some of these phrases together. Please repeat after me. Hallo, hallo. Guten Morgen, guten Morgen, guten Abend, guten Abend, guten Tag, guten Tag. Ich heiße, ich heiße, ich heiße Anna, ich heiße David. Ich komme aus, ich komme aus, ich komme aus Deutschland. Ich komme aus Deutschland. Danke, danke. Wie geht es Ihnen? Wie geht es Ihnen? Auf Wiedersehen, auf Wiedersehen. Great job! With these basic conversation phrases, you'll be able to communicate with native speakers in no time. Practice them daily and you'll be speaking German like a pro in no time. That's all for today's lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more language learning videos. Bis bald!